Hi friends, it's me, Aliyan. Friends, today I'm back for more interesting videos. Friends, today we are gonna learn about what causes hiccups. What causes hiccups? You can get hiccups when you swallow lots of air or a big gulp of water. When air rushes into your lungs, the windpipe quickly snaps and stops the air from entering. This can cause hiccups. This may last for several minutes. If your breathing muscles move up and down too fast, you can get hiccups. Now friends, I hope you know what are hiccups and how they can be caused. So friends, please come to visit my channel for more educational videos, learning tips, more stories, action songs and so many other interesting videos. So bye friends, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe friends. Bye bye.